Okay, so it looks like we've got some sort of this stuff is brittle. Super brittle. Okay, well, that looks a bit better. Just need to. Oh, that looks a lot damn better. I mean, now we've actually got something that I can call filament. Okay, but it's not perfect by any flippin' means. Okay, so let's see. Will we start the puller? Will we increase the speed? I think, let's see if a puller actually does anything with this stuff. Probably needs to be a little bit cooler. Oh, it fan's overdoing it. Okay, let's see. Okay, most of you guys are probably seasick by now after looking at this for so long. My apologies, I'll get a decent camera someday. But I guess not today. So... okay, I'm a little bit brave touching this with my hands, but... come on. Okay, so let's first clear up all this stuff. Okay, so let's see. We'll start this guy up. Let's see if we're going to get it. Okay, now I actually think I need two hands. This is going to be more difficult than I thought it would be. Okay, but there's a lot of air bubbles in here again. Why, oh why, oh why? It's going too fast now again. Oh, what's the deal? That was looking like it's gonna work. Well, okay, it's way too thin, but just, at least in concept, it sort of works. Again, way too slow. Let's speed this up. Sounds like a flippin' motorbike or something. Make it stuck here at the bottom. This is going to be super hard to get through, but I need to get it cooler over here before I can try that. But hey, it was close. So I'll probably need to Well, the water bath overdoes it, the fan underdoes it. So this thing is going where it's every bit. Okay, don't run away. Whoa, I've got FIlament running all the way. Whoa, that's a malfunction, I guess, but it's sort of working. I should probably have thought about that, I guess. Not good. Oh, but it's just too warm at that point. So this, at least this is nice and bendable. I mean, I can actually bend it. Never mind, I spoke too quick. Sort of bend it. But okay, back to this. What the flip am I gonna do? No, dan ga ik cool this thing down a little bit more. That's my 170. So this is what I think. But we make it high, you know, I mean 180 degrees is the melting point for plastic for this PLA. So you make it over 180 degrees on this side so it melts. It shouldn't be melting over here, it should be quite solid to push it forward. It melts over here, and this is below 180 degrees, so it starts to solidify already a little bit. But not too much, obviously. And yeah, I guess that could be a reasonable theory if any. Okay, let's see if this works. There's a lot of air bubbles still. Oh, that's a bit better. It's warm. Okay, a lot of air bubbles still, but it's at least I can probably do something with that. If I can just get 2 hands or a third hand would be preferable. And I can get this in there without getting it stuck anywhere else. But okay, so far so good. Quite horrible those bubbles, but okay, I'll leave that there. I'll ignore that for now. When I say horrible, I mean for a 3D printer, they do look quite pretty. Okay, so I'm nearly there. Let's see if I can do this. Go in there. Perfect. Is the speed enough? Nope, speed. Let's make this thing motor. This thing's noisy. Flip it. 20, there's amper there. Okay, it's now jumping too much and it's It's too warm. Yeah, that's, that's not gonna help. Maybe it will. Okay, so let's chill with that guy for a bit. Okay, I'll probably need to get some sort of coating on it so it doesn't stick. See, but this is so close. Well, I'll test this with a water bath eventually again. But the thing is, a water bath, the water is just damn well everywhere. Before I can actually see how it reacts, such as now when it comes out. So that's good work. Just need something, otherwise I need a DC, a little bit smaller DC motor on there. Okay, let's see, I'll start a new video once I've got this thing working with 2 hands.